Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea and I am here with Clearview Library District. Welcome back. This is our second week of Family Cooking Challenge. I am here to present to you today challenge number 2. If you did not see challenge number 1, here's the quick rundown. So Family Food Challenge is we give you a simple recipe of things that you should be able to find around the house, and we challenge you as a family to add a fun, new, different, unusual ingredient to make the recipe still edible but different than what we gave you. So here is challenge number 2. Challenge number 2, we want you to create pizza muffins. Okay, so you can find the recipe in this email. You can find it on our website, on our events page, or you can find it on our events page on Facebook. Okay, so you can find the recipe there. What you want to do is follow the recipe and then add something new to it. So that is your challenge. Once you get your submissions ready, so we'll want you to snap a picture of it, kind of give us a description of what ingredient you added to the recipe, and you're going to send it to me. My email is Chelsey, Chelsey, at clearviewlibrary.org. Chelsey at clearviewlibrary.org. So create the recipe, add something new to it, snap a picture, send it to me. This week's prizes are kitchen themed, all things that you can use in your kitchen at home. We hope that you guys get excited, get cooking, and I'm excited to see your submissions. Thank you so much for participating, and we will see you in a couple weeks.